Hello and welcome to the Mockingbird Show. Today I've taken a topic which is generally something of a lot of interest for parents. This is about preparing your child who is going to a preschool for a formal school. So this preparation generally starts when the child is in KG2 class, which is also referred to as the upper KG class, and then the admission is sought for class 1. Recently in Tender Petals, I met a lot of parents who actually wanted to get in touch with me in order to choose which is the right school for the child. And I told the parents one thing: it is up to them because it is a lot dependent on what kind of budget they're looking at, what kind of school they're looking at in terms of whether they want a co-ed or they want only a girls' school or a boys' school, and whether the school needs to be more academic based or they are looking at co-curricular activities which is given more priority in the school. So there are a lot of factors that come into play when they are choosing a formal school. In my case, when my son who was ready to go to class 1 and in the formal school, I just visited one school, and that school I had heard about it, and the day I put my foot into the school premises, I understood that this is the right place for my child. So parents, it is completely dependent on your lookout in terms of the budget, in terms of the distance and the other factors that come into play. And obviously you have to put your child in a good school with a very good reputation, good teachers, and where care is given to the child in the utmost possible manner. Now, the formal school entrances are a little tough, more so in places where we stay, like in Guwahati. There's a written round, there are interviews, and there are parent interactions. For that, you need to prepare the child. There are a lot of mushrooming coaching classes that have come up for these little ones to prepare them for formal school entrances. And I've heard that these coachings also tell the parents that yes, we can guarantee a seat in this school and so forth. Personally, I don't feel that coaching is important for children to prepare for these entrances. They're pretty easy. They need to know the basics that are taught in the preschools, the basic literacy and the numeracy course that they need to cover. Also, they need to be smart. So that is again one thing where you need to prepare your child, give them question and answers, do a lot of oral, do a lot of storytelling and talk. The communication needs to be there so that the child feels safe when they are going for these entrances. Also, do not talk or discuss much about these entrances and the test and blah blah, so that the child should not get nervous. They should take it as another day, the day of the entrance, and go forward. So that way we are not kind of pressurizing the child or putting a lot of stress in their mind, and it's going to be a very normal and easy process, I would say. It's important for parents to visit the school. Now, when you visit the school, you will get to know what you are actually looking at and whether the school is providing it or not. So it's very important to see the ambience, the students in the school, talk to the principal, talk to the educators if you meet any, and don't get forms from just one school. Get forms from more schools, because you never know if your child is able to perform in that entrance and whether they are going to crack it. So in that case, it's important that you have some options in your mind, the first, second and third, and that way. One more thing, the preparation needs to be very consistent. It has to be done on a regular basis, not that once in a week you are preparing your child for the entrance. So when you visit the schools, they definitely give the syllabus that the child needs to prepare, and accordingly you can get your child ready for these entrances. And like I said, that keep it like an easy everyday thing. Don't over stress, don't give too much of emphasis on these entrances where the child again gets nervous and they feel that they're going to go and appear for something which is very life defining. Nothing like that. But yes, for parents, I can understand the parents' mindset. I've been a parent who had sent my toddler to this entrances into formal schools, and we were very worried whether his name is going to be in the list of students who were chosen. I can definitely understand that. But again, parents, there are a lot of choices in your city. So just be cool, get more forms, see a lot of schools, and keep your choices, line it up and just take it as an easy process. So also to my parents who get in touch with me regularly and they are so nervous about these entrances, it's not so tough, and your child will definitely crack it. And if the preschool is good, then they would prepare the child in a manner that he is or she is confident, he or she is able to attempt that question, or if they have any doubt, teach them to ask the person who is there in charge, the educator or the facilitator, that ma'am, I cannot understand this question, how do I attempt this, or what should I write? Because they will be in a different environment when they go for the entrance. They'll go to the formal school. So those kind of preparation is more important, because they'll see new people, new students sitting near them. It's not going to be the regular class teacher. So when they're writing the paper, they might get nervous. They might think that this is something I don't know and who should I ask? They need to have the confidence to face the entrance. I would say it's not a hard nut to crack, but looking at the parents' concern, I thought I'll make this very short video as regards the entrance into formal schools and the preparation. So I hope this helped you in some way or the other. If you need some more details, get in touch with us. And if you have not yet liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so and be a part of the Mockingbird Show. I'll come back next week with another interesting topic. And if you have anything in mind, let me know so that I can address that topic as well. Thank you for joining me.